mentioned you helped a friend of yours get a business credit card.
Yeah.
That was the Amex.
Yeah, American Express Blue Business Cash Card.
Okay. No soft. They did soft pull because he's already part of the family, right?
Yeah, they did a soft pull on his credit. He had a Amex Delta card, one of the lower tiers.
So he only had one Amex card.
Yeah, he had one Amex card. He had it for a year. I told him to apply for the business Blue Cash with his with an EIN. And he got one EIN only. Then he went back like a couple of days ago and got one with his LLC and the EIN.
So you say he had $2,000.
Yeah, he got $2,000 on 2 different cards.
So he probably could have got more money depending on how much personal credit he has. So I it's always my understanding that the more personal credit you have, the higher lines they're willing to get if you personally guarantee any business. So like the ultimate goal would be to get to that $60,000 to $100,000 in personal credit. Not always necessary because he could get that $2,000 line. He uses it. Is American Express 90 days? 90 days we can go back and ask for an increase, right?
Yeah, that's what I told him. I'm like, you can get an increase on the business cards as long as you got them.
Right.
You good. You basically in the door with your first business credit card, your first business lines of credit. Now, right now, what I got him doing is with his LLC when I open the business bank account with Chase. Because Chase,
good relationship.
Yeah, and Chase is like when you try to open the business bank account, you need an LLC. They don't do the sole proprietorship.
Really?
Yeah. You gotta have an LLC to open the bank account, an S corp. See some type of real something that's
you gotta pay the work. Yeah, because I guess anyone you can just you can go to IRS.gov and get you an EIN number. So LLC, you gonna have to go to the Secretary of State. You gotta file. So that makes sense. I don't know if any other banks are like that because I personally don't think I've ever applied for a bank account without an LLC. So I've not done a business account without. I've always had it.
I know Navy Federal, they let you do a sole proprietorship, but the only thing with Navy Fed is if on the EIN, like say for instance, you make an EIN on the IRS website, and it's not your name, you got a business name. Navy Fed wants a DBA or a fictitious business name certificate in order to open a bank account with them.
So you might as well get the LLC.
Yeah. I went and got a DBA with the sole proprietorship that I had, and it cost more than the LLC. Yeah, you had to pay for the filing, and then in order for them to accept it and for it to go through, you have to publish the company in the newspaper, which costs like $180 almost, and the LLC, just starting the LLC directly on the Secretary of State website was like $150.
Yeah. So that's something I don't know. I've never done a DBA, and I didn't even know that most of your states, out of your 50 states, from what I hear, filing on your own, you're paying between like $150, maybe $250. Now, filing also depends on the county that you file in. So you got hundreds of counties all over, the country. But getting LLC is not anything difficult. We are not accountants or tax experts, so make sure you get with your accountant on that. But as far as credit goes, you want to have the LLC. The LLC gives you that weight and that gravity. Because sole proprietorship, it is said that you're not going to get as much credit as a sole proprietor when
I can't even say that.
Really?
Because my sole proprietorship business card with American Express is more than my LLC